Good afternoon, Buzzy here at VAF Industries. Hey, today I want to talk to you a little bit about our newest product. It's a 1009D safety loop. We were asked by one of our customers if we could design something for them that they can use as a safety loop anywhere they choose to on a pole. So this is what we came up with. It's a derivative of our 1009 step, which installs just like this. Put it in, turn it over, back it up. That's how that sets in there. And our 1009 safety loop is the same way. Let me show you how it fits on a pole. This thing goes in here, standard 1-inch opening, slide it in, gravity drops the T-bolt down, tighten up the bolt. We've had these tested and certified to over 5,000 pounds. They're easy to install and very strong. Show you, all you got to do is tighten it up a little bit. And there you go. You've got a safety loop that you can use anywhere on any hollow pole. Please give us a call if you have any questions.